Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. Hey, if you're new here, it's totally free. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. And also, I'm not your financial advisor. I can't tell you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto asset whatsoever. We got to do our own research, do a lot of reading because it's our own duty. Anyways, let's get right on to it. So yesterday, I got back into this play, the Sperax or Spa coin, and kind of like it. Well, I ain't gonna lie. Months back, one of my subscribers told me about this one, but it totally went over my head because I was in other plays. I just didn't have time to look at it at the time. It totally went over my head, but I ended up, months later finding it, on my own. And I didn't realize this was one of the coins that one of my subscribers told me about that went over my head because he messaged me yesterday. It's like, oh, I told you months back about this play. But anyways, it's still not too late because I looked at the all-time chart. The all-time high for this coin is something. It's kind of like an automatic stable, something like that. I'm gonna read over it. But anyways, it's back in 2022. It looked like it was at. It looked like it got up to 20. I think it was like 25 cents or something. Anyways, the all-time high is between 25 to 30 cents. And let's look at the recent chart. It's up 114% for the year. 64% for the month and 85% for the 87% for the 7 days. Pretty good. And it's down currently 14%. I actually got in kind of a little bit at the top. I got in at about 1 penny, then it dipped all the way down to 90% of a penny. So I was down a little bit, but then it came right back up after dipping down to 90% of a penny. But yeah, um, this looking at the 1 month, it came from here was at 2062 and it came all the way up to a penny. That's a pretty good pump from 0.062 all the way to a penny. That's a pretty good pump right there. Looking at that 1 month chart. Um, yeah, and let me see here. Let's take a look at the 1 year chart. Kind of choppy. 0.0047. Right here was at 0.0099. Then it came down. This thing has been going. It has a history of like going up and then coming back down, and then it'll trade flat a little bit, then it'll go right back up. But now we're getting closer to the bull run. So, okay, it came. Oh, this was all the way down to 0.003, 37% of a penny. It looked like about back in um back in October. It looked like, and then it came up a little bit to 84% of a penny. Then it came all the way up to a penny. But yeah, it has a history of just going up. But when it goes up, it spikes up. As you can see here, looking at this 1 year chart, when it goes up, it spikes like in a slope. So that's pretty good. So here you can see right here back in this was in 2023 actually. Back in uh yeah, this was February of 2023 of about a year ago. It was at 4048 and then it just spiked up right here to 74. So when this thing pumps, it pumps. As you can see, look at that history. This is the all-time chart right here. Here it was at 2 cents. And then it just spiked all the way up because we had a bull run back in 2021. We had the bull run and then it came down. But looking at that 1 month chart, as you can see, it trades sideways. That's one thing about different cryptocurrencies. Not all cryptos trade differently. Not all cryptos trade the same. It's like a lot of cryptos they have their own way of pumping. Every crypto have this. It has its own style, its own like pattern. From looking at this crypto, when it one thing I like about it is volatile. When it pumps, it pumps. This is really the perfect crypto to do swing trades. This is definitely the perfect crypto to do swing trades. After it pumps, you sell, wait for it to come back down, and then get back in. Even as looking at this 1 month chart right here, from looking at this 1 month, excuse me, looking at this 1 year chart, you can tell this is a perfect crypto for like swing trades. Even looking at the 7 day chart here, that 7 day chart actually looks pretty good. Wow, the 7 day chart, it was at 2054. Then it just pumped, came all the way up here. This is actually looking at the 7 day chart, 87%. That's really good. Look at that 7 day chart. It was at 54% of a penny. To pump within 7 days. It pumped to a penny. Too bad Jasmine can't do that. Look at other cryptos are doing good. But I guess Jasmine's a whole nother story, I guess. But look how this crypto in 7 days went from 54% of a penny all the way to a penny in 7 days. That's pretty good. 87%. Look at the 1 day chart here. It came down a little bit because I bought it at a penny, then it came down to 90% of a penny. But I believe the next leg up, this is definitely can hit 10 cents. This could definitely hit 10, like between 8 to 10 cents here pretty soon from looking at the chart. It then has a low market cap. The market cap is only 17 million. And I just like the way this coin moves, honestly. I like the way it moves. Yeah, this is definitely a play that I should have been in like months back, but like I said, I overlooked it. I kind of didn't know about it. I overlooked it, because I was looking I was in other plays, obviously. But this is definitely going to be a good coin to just the swing trade, even in a bull run. Now, what is my prediction for all time high? What I think this is going in a bull run? I believe this coin can definitely hit a dollar. I believe this can hit a dollar, probably even go over a dollar. Look at that. Look at that market cap. Only 17 million market cap, guys. Look at that. This has a lot of upside on market cap. Right now, the volume is negative 51%. Uh, Tokenomics is okay. Look, I guess it's standard. 33% of the circulation is out. 1.6 billion is in circulation. Was only 33% of the circulation, and it looks like 4.6 is in the total. 4.6 billion, and it has a total of 5 billion in the max supply. So the max supply for this is 5 billion. So yeah, this one actually shows the max. So that's pretty good. Let's take a look at the community. Yeah, I'm definitely glad that I got in on this play. And I just like the way I definitely like the way it trades. Go to community. It says top 10 gainers on February 6th. It says stake SPA to earn yield and participate in Sperax governance. Alrighty. So most people is bullish on this play. All right. Okay. It says those who love this coin should look at the SPA. Okay. It says don't listen to the FUD. This coin is very strong. Yes, it is, especially with that low market cap. This has a lot of upside on the market cap. This could definitely run up to like a 50, 60, even a 70 million market cap here in the short term. This could definitely run up that, you know, with that low market cap. Says this coin is ready to explode. Hold on tight. Enjoy the ride. But anyways, yeah. Let's go back and what this project. I think I went over it yesterday, but kind of want to go over the what this project is about. I think it's like says founded in 2019. Sperax is the open source development team focused on building software products on the Sperax protocol. With the Sperax token, SPA is at the core. Sperax has built the first auto yield stablecoin USDCs in a suite of DeFi apps. Okay, so it's like an auto yield stablecoin. Okay, so it's kind of, I guess I'll say this is like a DeFi and like stablecoin kind of. But it says the content is informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. Nothing contained on our site constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or off other coin market cap. You shall assume the sole responsibility of evaluating the merits and risks associated with the use of any information or other content on CoinMarketCap before making any decisions based on such information or other content. There are risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Investing in cryptocurrencies involve risk of loss and loss of principal and possible. Yep, I like the way they broke that down. Yep, it is risk, so we gotta do our own research whenever we get into different projects. All right, guys. Yeah, so that is my take on Spirax Spa, my update. Like I said, I got into this coin last night. I'm glad I did. But like, one of those plays, I wish I would have got in sooner, but it's not too late. We're still at the beginning of the bull run, so I'm really not worried. This is definitely uh, gonna be heading up to like 5 cents and 10 cents. Can definitely get up there. We got a good pullback last night, but then it came right back up. Like I said, it came right back up after the pullback. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. That is my update on Spa Coin. Uh, like I said, if you're new here, subscribe, hit the like button. Also, if you want to become a channel member, I'm going to be posting some private content with showing my newest portfolio. You can see my positions and see exactly how many coins that I'm holding, but that's only going to be for private members to the channel. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Take care. See you in the next one. Bye now.